Okay. Hi guys. Today we're going to have 4 special things. Today we're going to do 2 bouncy balls and 2 Minecraft stuff. Okay, here it goes. This is my bouncy ball. We got it today at the store. And this is my brother's bouncy ball. We also got today at the store, and we have the Minecraft net. Voila! Here we go. You know? No. Okay. You don't need to take the tape off. Yes, you do. I do. Do you need help? Oh, you got it. Good job. Keep pulling. Did you get it all off? No. No. Almost there. Ready to open it? See who you get. I don't care if I rip it. Oh, boo-hoo, we got a bag. Okay, let's see. Oh man, it feels like a... Oh. Zombie village! I got a zombie villager! Woo! Hold still. So... I can't see it. So we got a zombie villager. Here are the 2 today we got. Make sure they're facing the camera. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching.